Very nice, rapid acceleration there to 120 knots. Straight into the quick stop maneuver. Maritime version, and on top of that, the Sea Lion naval transport helicopter and Sea Tiger multi-role frigate helicopter, both of which are You can fit about 20 fully equipped troops inside one of these helicopters. They can also transport loads both internally and externally, so underslung, and they can carry out search and rescue missions. But they can also conduct the gamut of multi-role helicopter taskings, really. Casualty or medical evacuation, combat, search and rescue, command post activities, VIP transport work and so on. The German Army placed the Bell UH-1G Iroquois, the famous Huey. Back in 2013 to 14 for medical evacuation. Right on the front line, there's 2017 onwards, they were involved in stabilisation missions in Mali, and there was another Afghan deployment in late 2020, taking over from the supposed CH-53Gs of the Luftwaffe, so in the second display. But these NH90s are also much used in support of civil society in Germany. For example, in November 2021, there were major floods in the German states of North Rhine-Westphalia and Rhineland-Palatinate. They helped flood relief efforts in the aftermath of those, and in June of last year, there was a huge fire on the former military training area at 4Kᵁᴴᴰ south of Berlin, where NH90s collaborated in firefighting activities. Two units of the German Army, the Heideflieger, it's aviation arm, operate in NH90, transport 4Kᵁᴴᴰ RIAT 10, faster for the 3.1 training being provided from the International Helicopter Training Centre at Rotterdam. Defence is still absolutely at the heart of NATO's 75